A staircase always has to be practical, but I also think it should be good looking. And that's very important here in the Savoy 29 because this staircase is located right in the middle of the house, right next to the dining, living and kitchen area. We decided to combine two different staircase designs to achieve this stunning result. The first is a full timber monostring. You can see this on the bottom run of stairs, and the black handrail runs up to give that punchy detail with the glass on the side to add to that open feeling. On the second run of stairs, we've actually got a cut stringer, and that way you see that repeated look of the end of the timber treads on both designs. Because it's closed underneath that second run of stairs, we have allowed for storage. Putting a door here means we've got access into there. There is so much storage in this space. Great for the kids' sporting gear, camping gear, the Christmas tree, or maybe Harry Potter.